welcome fellow travelers, your traveling buddy here, coming to you today from the campus of M.S.U. here in East Lansing, Michigan. And today I've come to something I found on the internet that's going on. Today here at the Heritage M.S.U. Gardens. They're having some kind of winter festival going on here. A bunch of poinsettias and trees decorated. So I figured to come check this out. So travel with me, will you? There we go, we'll start out. Look at this. There's some poinsettias sitting here. Beautiful. And then look at this big tree. Christmas tree made of poinsettias. Yeah, that's beautiful. I've got Santa's sleigh over here. I've never been to this before, so we're all going to learn this together. There we go, we got some Christmas trees here, decorated up. Looks like some kids decorated it up. Look at that. Made their own little ornaments. Is that I'm not sure what that is supposed to be, but a little pumpkin. Tomato. Oh, well, here we go. Little Hornets Ornaments on Mrs. Burt or Pre-K. How are you feeling? Foods with the Moods by Saxton Freeman. There's another one. Got a bunch of bees on it. Bees shaped like bees. It says here Marble Elementary, East Lansing. Mrs. Haskell's first grade class. Buzzy the Bumblebee by Dennis Brenman Nelson. And we got another tree here. There's some teapots on it. Doilies. What is it? Little Hornets Whimsy on Mrs. Murray's Pre-K Rose Garden by Peter Reynolds. So decorations kids did. It's kind of neat. And here we got a snail tree. Lots of snails and possible spiders. This one says Wilcox Elementary, Holt, over in the garden by Jennifer Ward. A bunch of snails. It's kind of neat. But I've never been to this before, so I didn't expect to see stuff like this. Here we got a bunch of butterflies. They're here. This one says Wilshire Elementary, Hazlitt. Little caterpillars, Bill Martin Jr. I think these are books that the kids are reading or something. And these are the schools that did these pictures for these trees. Here we got St. Thomas Agnes, East Lansing, first grade. The Very Clumsy Cricket Click Beetle by Eric Carey. And a bunch of beetles. Look at that, that was red, white, and blue. Got a bunch of beetles. It's kind of neat. I remember doing that stuff when I was a kid. Look at the flowers. Here we got the Child Enrichment Center Holt. This tree counts by Allison Forment. I guess the book that they were reading. And here's some of the decorations they did. 6, 3, 4. Is that? They're counting. And there's some birds. Look at a bird. Marble Elementary, East Lansing. Mrs. I can read that. Try to read that. There we go. Mrs. Swan. First grade. Selfie squash by Pat. Nothing other. And there's a bunch of little squash. These are the squashes. Look at that one. It's kind of neat. Okay, here you see some more poinsettias in there. Okay, we've got the Little Hornets, Williamston. That's what it is. Williamston. I could say Williamston. They got a little space between there. Williamston. Mrs. Davis Pre-K. There's a Leaf Man by Lewis Elhart. Look at that. There's a little leaf. And a bunch of leaves. Look at that. I do believe you can buy the poinsettias here. They're actually selling them. We got another one here called Wilcox Elementary Holt, second grade. Great Caliber Tree by Linnet Cherry. The Great Caliber Tree. And here's a bunch of little decorations they did. Oh, a face there. Yeah, it's supposed to be a snake. Or that's supposed to be a toucan. Oh, look at that. That's supposed to be a sloth. Another bird. Another toucan. Another snake. Another sloth. Like what this one is, we're learning about the rainforest, and it says emergence, canopy, and understory, and floor. So these are probably all the animals that, how they live in the rainforest. Here we got the Lansing Christian, Lansing Kindergarten. There's the caterpillars. There's the player caterpillars. Caterpillars there. Hanging on trees, and then they turn into a butterfly. That's kind of neat. Like they're learning about butterflies and caterpillars. We got the Little Hornets, Williamston, Mrs. Olson, Pre-K. Dinosaur Farm by Fran Brinston. And here it is. We got a barn and there's a dinosaur in there. See that dinosaur? And Dinosaur Farm. We got a little dinosaur there. That's cool. I've never been to this before, so I didn't expect this. It actually looks like it's a sideways D for dinosaur, and they decorated it up. I just noticed that. So we got Marble Elementary, East Lansing. This is Roslith First grade. Grocery Ladybug by Eric Carroll. And there you go. You got a skunk. What is that? It's supposed to be a skunk. And then you got some clocks here. Yeah, it's supposed to be a skunk. Not sure what a skunk has to do with that book, because they show a ladybug in there. It's probably new ladybugs. Oh, wait a minute. Nope, oh, I see. Actually, the clock is the ladybug. I just noticed that. Yeah, the clock is the ladybug. There you got Little Lambs Hazlitt. 3 years old class. Surprise in the Meadow by Anna Voltage. Surprise in the Meadow. And here, oh look at here. I remember making these when I was a kid. Little hand puppets. And you got the flowers. Yeah, I remember doing these when I was a kid. A little sandwich bag. Put a face on it. And somebody wasn't happy there. There's the last tree sitting here. It says White Hills Elementary, East Lansing. Mrs. Clamo's first grade painting in rainbow by Lois Herbert. And here we got, it looks like books, maybe. The flowers. Oh, it's a seed packet, that's what it is. Meat right here, look at it, got a scarecrow maybe. Kind of neat. So you can buy some of your poinsettias here. It says red, $7 each, $6 each if you buy 10. Non-red, $6, $5 each if you buy 10. Large with foil wrap, around $25. Centerpieces, $20. With one candle, $23. With 2 candles, $25. Holiday bug art arrangement, $15. 10 piece, $15. Bundle of green, $6. Red twig dogwood bundle, $5. All prices are marked. So there you go. You can come down here and buy some of these poinsettias. These are actually real poinsettias. One of the foils they show talking about. All wrapped up like presents. Alright, for the travelers, that's about it for here at the Heritage Center, you know. Hey, it wasn't what I expected, but hey, it was something Christmassy, you know. It was cool to see those little decorations kids made up. And you know, but hey, you can't expect everything to be all bright and colorful. It was just a nice little touch for Christmas. You know, I've never been to it before either, so hey, if you like this, hit that like button. Share, subscribe. Any comments for me? Leave me a comment. Any ideas for me to do? Let me know. I just might show up and do it. So until next time, travelers, I'll see you around the mitten.